could say that.
There's the grill. I can retake it too. So go ahead and talk. Say what you was gonna say.
Just gonna say you wait till the
all
them.
That's the cool part right here.
Charcoal's almost all white before you throw food on there.
Yeah, if you've never done a grill before, you definitely want to wait until the charcoal gets white before you put your food on there. This is just the baby grill, so you might have something really huge to work with, which is awesome because your food will get done quicker. See, now you understand why you have to be careful and not make such a mammoth mill, because that thing is so little. Check that out. It's just a little baby. You don't got much room once you get that top on there. That's a big mill for a little grill. But it works though. If that's what you got to work with, that's fine. It'll work. I like fire. Ah, beautiful day to be cooking out. Oh, that food's gonna smell so good. It's gonna make the whole backyard smell and freshness and can't wait. But yeah, you just wait till that goes down and wait till your coals get white, and then you take your food, and you probably want to get a cookie sheet, stick your food on a cookie sheet and bring it out because it's pretty heavy, and you're going to want the cookie sheet after you get done cooking it because it's going to be hot and you're not going to be able to carry it, so just bring out a cookie sheet and set it next to your grill. And you're probably going to want a fork, something to poke meat to see if it's done, and that's it. Your food's ready to go. So have a good meal, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Don't forget to sign up. Let's see, what is that? If you're coming from Facebook, don't forget to like me on Facebook so you can find my pages for later on. And if you're coming from Twitter, you can follow me if you want to. And then if you're coming from YouTube, you could add me to your list if you like. I'll keep doing videos, and your support is greatly appreciated. So thank you, and until next time, happy eating!